Hey guys, welcome back to New World Carpentry Solutions. And one of the projects I got asked to build was a trading card stand slash display. This is actually going to allow one of my clients who now sells trading cards online to be able to display them for all of your online, selling needs, and also break this entire stand down and transport it to, one of the card shows. I believe our company name is Dimes and Gems. I can't really remember exactly why. I believe the dimes is about the trading card ranking or the classification of the card, whether it's a 10 or a 7 or 8 and those things. I don't know enough about the trading card world, but the stand was pretty cool. She gave me a one-piece card that I can use to kind of, gauge the size I need to make the stand. And then I decided to make it disassemblable by using wedges and actually cutting in little tendons on the end of each one of the shelves. It's a pretty cool method. Was trying to rack my brain around how I can make this disassemblable, but also not too heavy, not too large, but still have it aesthetically looking nice. You're able to stack your cards either without the stand or with the stand on each one of these shelves. And if you use it without the stand, when they're inside the actual card protectors, they rest up on the front ledge and lean right perfectly up against the other shelf right behind it. And again, everything stacks away and kind of disassembles to a nice little package. You can actually throw this inside of a tote or anything else when you transport it to a card show, and then it comes together pretty easy. One thing I can say though is actually haven't found the best method though. I believe actually it's probably easier to slide all the pieces into one shelf, then stand it up and kind of do the other side. But I actually decided, instead of doing that on camera, I decided to do the exact opposite. What I'm doing is going one shelf at a time and kind of pivot it in left and right. And because these are cut fairly snug, there isn't too much room. So as you spread the second shelf out or divider out, it actually kind of can get loose enough to where the shelves start falling. But other than that, it's kind of awkward to get it assembled, but once you have it fully assembled and you drive in all the wedges, it's a nice and sturdy platform that you can actually carry around while the wedges are in place. So you can move it from table to table, or even, leave it completely assembled if you wanted to, especially if you tap the wedges in place with a hammer. It's nice and solid. These wedges are made of leftover red oak, and the plywood has been all edged inside of red oak, and I also stained it with a cherry stain. I think the combination of this is nice and classy. She did ask me about making another one, but adding a plexiglass cover to the front of it so they can display cards safely, still be able to remove the plexiglass nice and easy to show clients their cards. So I'm looking at probably making another one and using a plexiglass and magnet kind of combo to make it removable but also easy to put back. So look forward to that, because I do have a template made up so I can bash these out. But if you guys have enjoyed this quick little project, definitely let me know down in the comments. If you guys want to see more, leave me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.